What's good, guys? It's Justin SVT, formerly Two Pour Garage. I just changed the name a couple weeks ago. Today, it's late. We're early in the season. I know I haven't been uploading recently. I don't drive the car in the cold or in the winter. Hopefully gonna get some runs with a Scat Pack or two. Check out some cool cars, see if anything happens. If I don't get any races, I won't upload the video, but you'll probably see a bunch of different ones from different perspectives. So hopefully everything goes great.
See you later, stinky.
Alright, so if you're still watching, you'll see that the car is not performing to its best capabilities, and that's because of this fucking dog shit transmission. So I'm gonna head to one of my buddy's shops. We're gonna fix this transmission. Hopefully fix it. It might not. I don't really know yet. We're just gonna be putting the McLeod stainless steel clutch line in, and we're gonna go from there. Hopefully it does a little bit better, because I'm really tired of fighting this transmission just to win a race.
As soon as I heard that fucker hit, I was like, oh, that is not good.
Students launch their own health coaching practices. Graduates work in a variety of settings. Private practice, in doctor's offices, at spas or gyms, in wellness centers, and more. As a health coach, you can create a
3 weeks later.
Alright, y'all, so if you can hear the wind, I apologize. Let me just roll these up. Okay, windows are rolled up. So after putting the new clutch line in from McLeod, the car literally feels like a completely different car. The clutch is no longer like a huge issue. It's no longer problematic. I no longer have to fight it, like, to go fast, to push the car hard. I can't believe Ford put one of these in. Like, the factory plastic clutch line is so crazy to me. To save a few dollars, and then you're not even able to use your car fully without dropping another 60 to put it to its fullest potential. It's crazy to me. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a cheap, easier way to fix your MT82, get that McLeod clutch line, get that sucker popped in. You'll probably have, I actually had really good luck. The two rubber boots that you're supposed to put on, the two rubber boots that are on the transmission and underneath the brake booster, those didn't come off for me, but I know a lot of people, when they did it, it came off for them. I actually got really lucky. When I was taking it off, though, I did lose one of those clips. So be sure when you're pulling out on those clips, be very, very careful, or you will lose it and you will have to search for it. I know I did. I had to take a bunch of stuff off from the bottom because it sunk down and got stuck, whatever. The longest part of the install really was finding that clip, and literally that's it. Everything else was just pop out, pop in. Easy peasy, good to go. Even if you got big hands, I got decent sized hands. I'm 6'2", so, you know, just put your mind to it, get the part, get it fixed, go back racing.